Danny here. Are we ready to finish off our whimsical painting today? Good. Let's head on over to easel and give it the last couple of finishing touches. I'll meet you there. And here we are. We kind of wonder what kitty's looking at up there. It's hard to tell. Maybe it's a leaf or something. A little bit of leafy color. It could be. How about maybe there's some yellow there too. We don't know for sure, but Kitty's looking at it. He is. And uh-oh. There's a little green thing. But he seems to be looking over here, so maybe he's looking here. Maybe there's something falling that's got his attention. Okay, we're just going to leave what it is that's got his attention up to each one of you. Okay, to each one of you. This has been a fun little project. It's just whimsy, nothing crashing about it. Just whimsy, just you and me and Kitty and some leaves coming down out of a tree. We'll leave it at this. You can do this, I promise you. Just have fun. Remember, they don't all have to be the Mona Lisa all over again. They're just having fun. So, tomorrow, we're going to start another series. And I'm not going to say what it is, but you're going to have fun. And I'm glad you guys liked Anne's post for today. Or for yesterday, actually, now. And it was great to see the likes. Keep giving her likes, okay? And so, until tomorrow, be sure to like, subscribe, follow, leave comments, for goodness sakes. And hit the bell, and remember that Anne and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. That was fun. We've had fun with this project. Tomorrow we're going to start something new. Like I said, I'm not going to say what it is, but we're going to have fun. So be here tomorrow. And remember this, that Anne and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.